lease option would be considered on this property. This beautiful home is a must-see in the Riverwalk community. Riverwalk is located in Northeast Madison County and nestled along the Flint River. This community is in the popular Buckhorn High School district, and the community features lots of amenities including pool, fishing lakes, walking trails, and a canoe launch. This large home has been reduced in price over $80,000 to sell, so you will move in with lots of equity. Home features a large private lot and lots of extras including granite countertops, hardwood floors, stainless Jenn-Aire appliances, 3-car garage, large bonus room, owner's retreat downstairs, and custom moldings throughout. Call Charlie Johnson for a private showing at 256-503-1035.